So hello everybody, my name is Zayan Waseem and today I'm gonna be telling you how to add smooth transitions in your video. And I'm gonna be telling you how to do that inside Adobe Premiere Pro. So now without any further ado, let's get straight into it. So now I'm inside Adobe Premiere Pro and I have imported all of the clips in which I'm going to be applying the transition to. So now what you need to do is I will provide you a link in the description. That is a link of the presets. So first you have to download that. After doing that, you have to go to effects panel. After doing that, you have to go to presets and then you have to right click. After right clicking on presets, you have to click on now this is a transition pack. What you need to do is just double click on that and import this file. After doing that, you will open that folder and then you will get all the transitions. You have to take your cursor to the point where the two clips are joining, right here. Now what you need to do is hold shift and then you have to click the arrow key 2 times and then here you have to make a cut. After doing that, you have to do the same. You have to do the same for the second side. Hold shift and go to the right side 2 times. Now make a cut here again. Now what you need to do, select these both clips, right click and click on nest. Now create a nest. After creating it, now what you need to do is after opening that transition pack, now let me first tell you the glitch transitions. So you will open that bin and now these are all the glitch transitions. You cannot see the preview, you have to add that. Now you have to add that glitch effect to the nested clip. And now when you will play it, you can see the glitch transition has been applied to it. Okay, pretty cool. Now let's just Control Z it and then now let's apply a second transition. So now you have to do the same for these two and same for this too. But when you will open this stretch echo transitions, you will see there are another bins like the stretch echo 2. Now when you will open it, you can see there is bottom and top. So what is this? Now what you need to do, you have to create a new adjustment layer. Go to new item and click on adjustment layer. Choose the frame rate that matches your composition and now press OK. Now you have to import that adjustment layer above that nested clip. It should be the same timing of your nested clip. Now what you need to do is you have to duplicate it above. Now you got 2 adjustment layer. Now here there, like you can see, here is a bottom and a top. So let's drag the bottom to the bottom adjustment layer and the top one to the top. Now let's see the preview. Here you can see you get the transition. So that's it. I hope you liked it. And if you do, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. And if this video helped you and you want me to keep uploading videos like that, so you have to subscribe my channel. It's a request. And till then, watch my previous video. Peace out.